Welcome back to Droppy, your go-to channel for real airdrops and passive income strategies in Web3. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Droppy so you never miss a chance to build your airdrop portfolio with zero upfront costs. Today, we're covering ARO Network, a groundbreaking decentralized cloud storage platform that's flipping the traditional data storage model on its head. Instead of relying on centralized giants like Amazon or Google, ARO is building a community-powered storage network where everyday users can earn rewards by contributing their unused storage space. Here's how it works. ARO allows you to lease out the extra storage on your devices, whether it's a laptop, desktop, or external drive, and get paid in ARO tokens. These tokens are the backbone of the ARO ecosystem, powering storage transactions, network governance, and future staking rewards. Why does this matter? As data demands skyrocket with AI, IoT, and blockchain applications, decentralized storage is becoming a critical piece of the Web3 infrastructure. ARO's approach offers faster, cheaper, and more secure storage solutions, all while giving power back to the users who contribute resources. Getting started is incredibly easy. Head to the official ARO website by clicking the link in the description. Sign up and create your account. Download the ARO Node software and allocate your preferred storage space. Once connected, your device becomes part of the ARO network, earning passive rewards for every gigabyte contributed. This is a prime opportunity for early adopters, as the network is still in its scaling phase. Early node operators often benefit the most when tokenomics fully kick in, especially as demand for decentralized storage keeps growing. ARO has already been recognized in the DEPIN, Decentralized Physical Infrastructure Networks, space as a top emerging project, competing with giants like Filecoin, but with a more community-driven approach. Notably, ARO Network has raised $5 million in funding to accelerate development and expand its network, underscoring strong investor confidence in its vision. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but if you're someone who wants to turn idle resources into passive crypto income, ARO Network is worth a close look. To join ARO Network and start earning, click the link in the description and get set up today. And before you go, check out the recommended video on the screen to discover more airdrops and passive income projects that you can stack with ARO to grow your portfolio. See you in the next drop.